In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress AutoCAD file size, AUDIT PURGE. We'll streamline your drawing by repairing errors, clearing hidden baggage, removing duplicate geometry, and writing out only the content you actually need. Start with your file open and, if it's important work, consider saving a quick backup so you can roll back if needed. First, fix database errors that can silently bloat your DWG. In the command line, type AUDIT and press Enter. When prompted to fix any errors, choose Yes. AutoCAD will scan the file and repair problems like bad objects or corrupt dictionary entries. When it finishes, check the command line summary to confirm what was found and fixed. Running AUDIT before cleanup ensures you don't carry corrupt data forward. Next, remove registered application IDs or regaps, which often accumulate from XREFs and third-party tools. In the command line, type purge and press Enter. Choose I for regaps, then type an asterisk and press Enter to select all. When asked to verify each name, choose No to purge them in one pass. Repeat. Purge for regaps until it reports 0 items purged. This step alone can dramatically reduce file size and cure strange performance issues. Now do a general purge to strip out unused stuff. Type Purge and open the Purge dialog. Choose Purge All and, if available, enable options to purge nested items. Run it repeatedly until nothing remains to purge. This clears unused blocks, layers, styles, line types, and other definitions that sneak into drawings and never get used. With definitions cleaned up, eliminate duplicate and overlapping geometry. Type Overkill and select the objects or use eyeball if appropriate. In the dialog, keep a sensible tolerance, small enough to avoid merging intended gaps, and let it combine duplicates and clean up overlapping lines, arcs, and polylines. Removing redundancies trims and speeds up editing and plotting. If your file still feels heavy, write out only what you truly need. Type WBlock. Set the source to objects, pick a logical base point, and select just the relevant entities. Choose a clean destination file name, and click OK. WBlock creates a fresh DWG containing only the selected content, free from leftover definitions and history. Finally, use Save As to create a clean, compact copy. Choose an appropriate DWG version for your workflow and save the file. This reindexes the database and often squeezes out a little more space. That's it. By running AUDIT, purging regaps with Purge, using Purge for everything else, cleaning duplicates with Overkill, writing a lean file with WBlock, and finishing with Save As, you'll get a smaller, faster, healthier drawing.